Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X5 key. To begin, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged, as this is crucial for a successful programming process. Next, gather all the keys you intend to program and have them readily available. Finally, make sure you are seated inside your BMW X5 with all doors securely closed before you start the procedure. Now, let's program the first key. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to position 1, where the dashboard lights illuminate but the engine remains off. Immediately turn the key back off and promptly remove it from the ignition. This specific sequence prepares your car's system for the upcoming synchronization step, ensuring proper communication with the key. With the key now out of the ignition, press and hold the unlock button firmly. While you are still holding the unlock button, quickly press the lock button 3 separate times. After the third press, release the unlock button. You should hear the doors lock and then unlock, which confirms successful synchronization for that specific key. If you have additional keys, repeat the synchronization process for each one immediately after the first, without reinserting them into the ignition. Once all keys are programmed, test each one to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts the vehicle correctly. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Remember to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your newly reset BMW X5 keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.